ebusian for aha Ghana Send TV GH. Mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime video of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for Bawumia nyami. Bawumia nyami. Saudi untu Bawumia nyakupon swa. On do yamoda. Yeah. Bawumia nyami. Erade edasi. Edawase se. Wama ye nime gwase. Edasi. Na ye uya ye nyankopon. Wana utiana ye bedi da. Ubi beka sade na voice enima eniaji sana. Meniaji say confusion has entered into the camp of the enemy. That is why I'm happy. Yeah. And I'm happy say nsema na ye kache Ghana for na omunji edino. They say aba clear omudi omeni. Ntokwa esiwo asofo mpenifo WhatsApp platform so. Ya kachire mu say platform bi wo ho saa na mu fi say ye twa ntro. Well. Yeah. When we told you, say, I suffer for charismatic, suffer for penny for B. I any momo, me very influential. Omako gangi up say, omo makra money bedi omuso. Now mu ye ne ometi me bia. And na menu sooner. Omko esa meeting with Mahama, omko lay, omusan eguni sunu. Say ye kaye. Tamu fi say dia agro. Mu fi say na ye nim nya ye kika. Onwa ye ni nyina awie no. Afi de mu ne esi. Mu kai odifo a oka say honorable Kembe win election. MPP primaries Prophet L Bernard. On say komshe na bem ready nim gwasi bae. Kofa be break aside. Right? A lot of people spoke. It's now still. Minim say o resume preaching in poor sorry because oka say on preaching on sorry beyond for some time. Right? Opese o seeking yakupu and them say what is the next step forward? Akoba say Prophet L Bernard nebeka say no ni Facebook page and me bechere. As I'm saying it, you see it on the screen. Or see Pastor Penibi. Ewo. I don't know L Bernard or bunu pa. Obu pastor no ohone say oh yeah his senior brother and I say Nipa Pampo ministry mo I Bishop Titi Ofei o see assembly asema esi no o see as a bishop Betro Bibina on wako reply bishop on ni WhatsApp page so ni WhatsApp say asema no anye ni de and you see, Oka Assembly Bishop no, Bishop Titi Ofei no. Later, and Pastor Fufrobe had the screenshot no send you no L Bernard say, a same way na Bishop Udina send no sending no, a same way na Wababeka, your platform no so. And L Bernard say, when any yem she no say must na send me no. Me ya umanya oshi. Asembi na esi ena wa kwekasa. Mi filisa asema okaye no anka na ye. Because ukasa tiame. Me draw your attention. Eno na wako. Edi ena udi makotu mu WhatsApp page so asofo bebre mukani amopeche nyamope about me ana. Enti bishop no hu sana ne buefu. Say, WhatsApp platform no, and you will be an access of platform no so. And you almost selected few be, and so for penny 4 be.
So there was a discussion we were having on a certain platform, and this platform is supposed to be very solid people on this platform. And then somebody sent me something, and then I put it on the platform, and I said, this is what somebody sent me, and I made my comment on it. And then somebody on that platform is supposed to be my safe space. You know, sometimes you need some small space where you can gossip a little, talk a little. It's not like wild gossip. So there was a discussion we were having on a certain platform, and this platform is supposed to be very solid.
And there was a platform. And the saying sa secret idea or the akotusono. Obi etiminya kukudre trust screenshot. Edi sende Bernard. You see? Have you seen? And in Tokwa I see was our WhatsApp was serious, easy. Because Omunyi now they don't know who to trust again. Yeah. They don't know who to trust. Unim say and I say be na be trust because omunim ni pakwa. Ewo muntema or trust screenshot me send the guy. Guy no say onka. Na bishop no anso eba bontipeka say enu create a platform bi wo sa na sa platform na omuko ye kokonsa. E wo so. Kokonsa Kokonsa. Hey, Bishop. So that was where they cook all the agenda against Bawumia. That was where they cook all the agenda. At the right time, most our WhatsApp platform, so we need to know. Yeah, and you'll be shocked. You'll be extremely, very, very, very shocked. It was for Ghana. I have a very interesting conversation for you after this. Don't go anywhere. But before then, for Mumbai, your studio, no. Mom, the kind of research I hear, no. I'm saying I deserve it because we need a better environment to work. I can't say NST always my door is locked behind me. It's true. And to make me in a few politics for Fina is better. And I mean, yeah, Mr. President, me to me man number. The horse soon, Timon boy. Why? It am was saying I'm boy. Yo, now don't go anywhere. Cheers.
I'll state my position, and I'm so angry about the fact that he's still talking. He should be ashamed and embarrassed about the situation. But in all that comes up, he will display his arrogance, and that will be it. But clearly today God exposed him to tell his truth, that in the moment of advocacy, all that matters to him was to pay his dues just so he can, he's arrogantly pumped. I agree with you 100. Very disrespectful. Like he doesn't respect anybody. You know, I remember when he appeared before the appointments committee, and some people were excited about his level of disrespect to Alexander Fenyomaki, and people were commending him. I made a video and I said, when it comes to answering questions on the job, he did exceptionally well. But if you appear before a panel, you give respect to the chair, not the individual. Thank you so much. You give respect to the chair, not the individual. But look at him. The kind of response he was giving Alexander Fenyomaki everywhere in a very serious jurisdiction. That guy shouldn't have gone through, because we shouldn't encourage leaders to behave in a disrespectful way. I made that video. It's still on my page. You see, if you think that what some judge is doing is okay, you get to a point to understand where we are also coming from. If you think that whatever, like today, he took a swipe at the NDC officials. Like nobody had the balls to talk in NDC in 2017 but him. Just imagine. In Parliament, he used his left hand to address the minority. And you people were applauding him on social media. And you see, the fact that we are overlooking the arrogance and disrespect to Ghanaians. Because when he was doing all of that in 2017 down to 2024, all of you were happy. You were super excited. But he is overdoing it. And very soon, I'm just hoping that he will not disrespect President Mahama. Because the way he is going, I will not be surprised. I will not be surprised. Because there was a banter between he and the deputy speaker. He's too confident in himself, too arrogant, very disrespectful at this point. I do not care. We can use all the words because clearly I don't see what Sam George is doing. You see, you were Sam George had a lot of views and opinions on whatever Isla-Usu Akufu was doing. I was thinking that as a ranking member of that committee, he had a lot of views on the subject matter. I said, when it comes to the theory of the job, he has it. The pamphlet is in the brain. He knows the theory. But what have you achieved as a minister, apart from the display of arrogance on social media? Guys, he addressed the people and the youth of our country, dear ex, as if, oh, wow. Wow. Indeed. When they say power suites, this is it. So when you were raising your voice on TV, when you were screaming on top of your voice, when you were disrespecting Akufo-Addo and the NPP regime, I thought you were advocating for the people of our country. I thought you were helping us preserve our culture. I thought, guys, I need to drop this gum. It's not looking good at all. Just imagine. It was an informal session. I did not know that I was transitioning into the editorial. Sorry, guys.
Free him fan. We are Bogadian, Boga Kupelu, Boga Maka, Quentu, Boga Menyamba, Bogas Nemuni and I.
Boga me Buffy, always said me, America had diabetes. You know, man, you know, fear. Oh,
you ready to attack Naba? You Boga me,
why not?
You,
and he said, Akufo-Addo, MPP, bebre. MPP, bebre. No moment, no one will be dear Yansini. Nasa, which and maybe our towns, and it here. So, yeah, MPP are here from independence up to now. You're government that much. The only 20 years. Buzi 2 years. And Akufo 8 years. Akufo-Addo 8 years. That is 20 years. All the 49 years now, woman in
Debut, if 18, that should be 18 years.
I'm sorry. 18,
Yeah,
18 years.
yeah, so 18 years, not 20.
That means 41 years now. Away money in CPP ni NDC kwa. Emphasize we come in 9 years you could free more 32 NDC kwa. 32 years munhwa de omu ye na munhwa de 18 years no even at this fourth republic 16 years the MPP aye your time o ma time atwa ntro sa Kwame Nkrumah atwa ntro sa Ghana for independence na dan kwani buzi alo mu independence no omu tutu omu na ase ana oba twa ntaka Ghana for say oba make independence now speech sabe na Ghana for hu bi da and then told Didi wo Musa Royce by Champoma at sell mano far to the golf Musa Zembebre kwasi plat na was young friend Chenchan or dear Nimu every 2 weeks be annual demonstration. So what I say. And it know Omo who said maybe ano MPP and Kwani party Omo intellectuals Nipa Munima the Ometime Bo mine. And the only contompo and in Nabrada and a Ghana for him. Now Ghana for now so do maybe yana yetie enkontompo obi sa obi a is very so easier to destroy somebody than to build. When I say ukuta a cup ne kura we say no waja to form. And one say be pai. Wo peja kosoro a ebi mpa no abre, untimi peja nkosoro. That's how it is. So and the omu be ye yeah, but 2028, no matter the base, MPP will win because can't train it down the same. Can't train anybody, papa. And ye sika semu, ye security semu, ye business semu, and ye. Now, say what me for my gold 7.5 billion at the Maunia. Now, Magana for 34 million people, 100 million. Dollars, who persuades it is a bambi ba 10 years. I no corruption, no who says, Sankofa goes now the Mauniano. Now I am more than your balloon, let's say more than 7.5 now. That means for your chrono. Up your chrono, or who? I know what this can I share and for baby, some and I for the I am saying, I feel now. Christian council for no omaniba omu but aya too late. Aya too late. They met me and support to be a mupebi and met me the bomb musum campaign. No munya vigilant. Mon can't about Mahmoud Bawumia say, oh yeah, slow. Or your economists. About economy, he has to come out and answer quickly. So just here, answer quickly. Say by your sticky. That's all mechanics will be answer back. All mechanics will be answer back. Dia na tita hosa na yakesi. So, omu can try when economy say we skase mo and come out. No, me answer quickly. I'm say ayi ko wuni ba my back no say friends they standing for election also economists no mun tra ho no mu anya hwe ha sa election but one say as we can nyina na sticky in fact no why dem pa we have to be very vigilant they use anya sharp teeth they timi answer mu back quickly say anya sa na sticky it will be very difficult for us to take it out. So no matter what, MPP will win. And politics in your message. No matter what, Canada, Japan, and base, MPP will win. Amfa said in Ketiamra, MPP will win. Amfa, who is that? Fanani Samra, MPP will win. No matter what. But yet, you mean try and your compresent. Yan can see about winning tini. And no man petrol buy the name of your homework here. We're gonna win. I'm rest assured, sir, we're gonna win. Don't be a na ya nyali buga. Ya nyali buga. Omasafa afa e kwa ho biem. Ese ni buga ye fela ni breso say the Bible kan no. Say Nyankopon ahini ni ye fela ni breso. So what ya say ya fela ni breso a. Omasafa afa e kwa. Ti o ma munye ye economics no mo Ghana ho no. Anye ye mo muntra ho amasika sem no omo beka. Mutite akonishi mu mama answer back. Sticky. How? Moses can number form.